In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily show your caller ID or how you can unhide your hidden caller ID using your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first off we need to head over to settings. After that, just scroll down until you find phone. Here at calls section, we can easily find show my caller ID. If I tap right here, I'll be prompted to select one of my SIM cards. If you have more than one SIM cards installed on your iPhone, then first off you need to select one of them to proceed. And that's where we can easily activate and deactivate that option. If it is turned off, it means that your caller ID is now hidden, and then to unhide it, just activate that option. In the same way, you can do the same steps for each of your SIM cards. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.